Yes, me there again once more, my people. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Alright, so I'm going to present videos to you in this video. First up, I'm going to present a video to you and I want you to listen carefully to some words that have been said in this video by at least one person. I want you to pay close attention to the word dirty that I can hear in this video. So may I say, listen, observe.
What is the give me ticket for?
I'm gonna give you a ticket for the dirty vehicle. I'm gonna give you a ticket for the broken tail light. I'm gonna give you a ticket for using a cell phone whilst driving.
Well, my people, I'm not Mr. Know-it-all, and I've never been in a situation where police ever confront me or say anything to me about my motor vehicle being dirty or so forth. You understand me? So therefore, there's not much me can say about certain words that I said in that video. You see what I say? But on a real, my people, I wonder if the video is of something that happened for real or if the video is of some form of publicity stunt. And I also wonder how dirty is that motor vehicle? Because the video have me thinking, I tell you a real thing, you see me? Alright, but my people, on a real though still, see? I think it is dangerous to drive a motor vehicle with dirty windshield or the windshield them dirty. Yeah, and your license plate must be in good condition. Now, I am going to present a video to you that had been recorded within the country that is known as Antigua and Barbuda. The video that I am about to present to you is going to show some things that happened when a few persons was being restrained by law enforcers from within the country of Antigua and Barbuda. The video also shows a certain amount of persons who was not wearing any police uniform helping to restrain those persons. So I'm saying to viewers and subscribers, now based on information that I got about the whole situation, it is said that at least one person had been detained or arrested by police. Please bear in mind that I said at least one person. You see what I'm saying to you? The video was recorded at an airport that is located within Antigua and Barbuda, viewers and subscribers. I did not get any confirmed information as to what caused the hostile situation that I can see and hear in the video that I'm about to present to you. But I'm going to present the video to you and you can let me know what you think. But I wanted to please bear in mind that I can hear yelling and shouting in this video. The video also shows a certain amount of persons shoving and pushing each other. So before I present the video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Mela, go in front of me, Mela. Mela, get so.
That won't surprise me. That won't surprise me. That won't surprise me. Yeah. They're not them, though. What do you do now? Picking up stuff? What? How you going to boy, you're police over there, but you go. They make it harder for them. You see what I'm saying? I lock them, put them in a fucking cell.
Alright, so my people, I got unconfirmed information about the situation. Overall, information about the whole situation are somewhat sketchy, as you may say, but at a certain time when I got a certain information about the situation, I was told that the police did not want to give certain information about that whole situation. You understand, my people? So I just have to leave it like that, because you don't know me, he's not the kind of person who I could try to mislead you in any way. You see me I say? Alright, now if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And if you have been watching Dancehall Skilla channel for some time now and have not yet clicked the subscribe button, please do so, and click the notification bell also so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright, so on to another topic. Now, I am going to present a video to you that will be recorded within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. The video that I'm about to present to you is going to show some things that happened at the scene of where a motor vehicle went off-road and plunged into a watery area that's located within the country of Trinidad and Tobago. Now, based on information that I got, it is said that at least one person was trapped inside of the motor vehicle. The video shows at least one person who went in the water and was trying to help out the situation, viewers and subscribers. And the video gave me the understanding that the person who was trapped inside of the motor vehicle somehow got out of the motor vehicle. I also got the understanding that law enforcers arrived at the location and the persons who are said to be members of what some people might call emergency team was at the location as well. Viewers and subscribers, the video shows a situation that is considered to be scary. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
There's alligator? I believe it.
Me and my fun.
I know that this situation set away.
Is that the hook ready? Flash on right for that man to see that hook there.
He come out.
Alright, just now. Look him there, man.
Just now.
Come on, don't worry. I said, see how low it is.
See?
Well, go sell hook the vehicle and drag it out. I'll bring him up.
See, you see what I go and look, you know. You know the greatest thing alive, you know.
Hold on, just now. Come and sit down.
Greatest thing
You can sit down.
is that in my life.
Well, then hook that up from that man there. You gotta hook that vehicle and drag him out.
No. Only they will take a chance on that right now.
Understood. Yeah.
Check, I'm gonna check on him then now. I'm gonna check on him, you know, see if he's alright and so.
One person. Pull on that bullshit. Alright, relax. Hey, cousin, go and take up your stuff from the ground.
All you have my stuff?
My people, you see, when it comes down to social media, you have to be careful, you know, when you get certain information off of social media, because me get one different type of information about that situation, but I don't even want to repeat it, my people. See? May I tell you? But overall, still, the greatest thing of life. The greatest thing is life. See me I say? Jano, that in my point of view was a scary one, you see me? Yeah, some people, you know, me get the understanding that there are at least 2 other pieces of videos that are being talked about on social media about this whole situation. And we just present this piece of video so that you can get an understanding about the situation in a better way. You understand me? Yeah, so, you know, I think here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers, you know. And please bear in mind that I don't have any confirmed information as to what happened after this video stop recording or after a certain time pass. You see me I say, I'm really and truly hope that the person totally okay. You see. Alright, so until the next time, my people, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.